To truly understand the Philippines, one needs a map, not of land, but of ideas. The PNY 3D's framework provides this guide through 8 lenses that reveal the nation's core. Our view begins with the most elemental dance, the ceaseless interplay between culture and weather. Here, we see how vibrant traditions and daily life must adapt to the constant threat of typhoons and other natural forces. This human story is inseparable from its setting, the very place and structure of the nation. We scrutinize the resilience of our cities, our bridges, and our homes, constantly questioning if they are strong enough for the challenges of tomorrow. The nation's lifeblood flows through its circulatory system, a current of energy and goods. This involves the power grid that lights up our islands and the complex supply chains that move vital commodities. This flow depends entirely on the arteries of vehicles and roads, the chaotic, beautiful network of jeepneys, trucks, and ships that carry people and products. Overseeing this entire organism are the rules and frameworks of laws and government. These systems, from the national to the local level, provide the skeleton of order that society relies on for stability and justice. A nation's strength and its future potential are deeply intertwined. We assess this through the lens of economy and military, which examines financial health and national security, the twin pillars of sovereignty. Yet, the strength is meaningless if it does not serve the people. Thus, we focus on the fundamental goal of food and health, ensuring that every Filipino has access to proper nutrition and quality healthcare. Propelling us forward is the bright promise of science and technology. This is where we look to innovation, digital transformation, and new research to build a more efficient and prosperous future for all. Ultimately, the profound truth of this framework is its inescapable interdependency. No lens stands alone. These 8 areas form a delicate, interwoven web where a tremor in one part sends ripples through all the others. Imagine a severe storm, a crisis of weather makes landfall. It immediately halts cultural events, damages vital infrastructure, blocks the transport of goods, cripples the local economy, and demands a massive government response. This constant two-way interaction is the very essence of the PNY 3D's vision: to see the whole picture, understand the deep connections, and forge integrated solutions for a truly elevated quality of life for every Filipino. And for the next 20 years, we're deeply studying the Philippines. So this isn't your typical channel. Think of it as a laboratory for the future of the Philippines. We won't just analyze the existing system. We will design a better one that has yet to exist. Keep this in mind. We're not here to patch the cracks. We aim to lay a new foundation. And what we mean by that is we are going to help both our people and the government. This is a journey to shape a better Philippines. Will you join us? For those who believe a better nation is possible, we have a long road ahead. A very long road indeed. Thank you, and see you next time.